Welcome to another Simple Dad iPhone tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to change the display zoom on your iPhone screen running iOS 16. If you're new here, please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So display zoom allows users who have difficulty seeing text and icon much more properly. So it basically makes the icon and this text more larger. So let me show you how to change the display zoom. So first you want to go into settings. Next, you want to scroll down until you see display and brightness. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you want to scroll all the way down until you see view or display zoom here. Go ahead and tap on that. As you can see, currently it is set to default, which is your normal viewing mode. Now, to see larger text and larger icons, go ahead and select this option, which is called larger text. And now press done at the top right. You'll get this prompt here at the bottom. Changing display zoom will restart the iPhone. So go ahead and tap on use zoomed. This will basically restart your iPhone. And once it returns back, you'll see your screen a bit zoomed in. So you press done now. Here you'll see all your icons and all your screen basically zoomed into it. And that is how to change the display zoom on your iPhone screen running iOS 16. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.